Ready to turn heads with a show-stopping dress you made yourself? Let's dive into sewing a gorgeous red plaid dress. First, choose a pattern that complements plaid fabric. Simple shapes like a line or shift dresses work best. Make sure you check the pattern sizing guide and choose the size that matches your measurements. Now, lay your fabric flat and smooth, paying close attention to aligning the plaid pattern. Pin your pattern pieces securely, keeping the plaid symmetrical where possible, especially at center front. This will make your dress look more professional. Use sharp scissors or rotary cutter to carefully cut out your fabric pieces, following the pattern lines precisely. Accuracy here is key for a good fit. Time to sew. Start by pinning the major seam, side seams, shoulder seams, and any darts. Use a straight stitch and the seam allowance indicated in your pattern instructions. Press each seam as you go for a crisp, clean finish. If your dress requires a zipper, now's the time to install it. Follow your pattern instructions for zipper placement and insertion. A center or invisible zipper will work beautifully. Hemming is the final step. Fold the raw edge of the hem up twice, press, and then stitch in place. A blind hem stitch will give you a professional, nearly invisible finish. And there you have it. A stunning red plaid dress, handmade with love and ready to make a statement. Rock your new dress. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more sewing tutorials.